Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, dziś stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Welcome guys, and we have a fast food diet. We have a beef crush kebab from Berlin dinner kebab, this size, not very big, but we'll try it, we'll make a test. Very nice bun, oh, we can see, very great bun, a little piece of beef kebab here, we can see, and let's check it. Nice sauce. Nice. Very nice. Nice beef crush kebab, small kebab in a small bun. It's a McDonald's style bun, not a common bun from a kebab. It's just a McDonald's style bun, but we have a beef kebab inside, a little salad. Small kebab, the one third price of a full kebab is a full dinner kebab. It was between 9 and 10 euros, and here we have a small bun, and we have a small crush kebab for 3 euros, with a great compare price to a size, really great quality of a beef, good sauce, great bun, so it's definitely a good kebab. Small version with beef. If I have to choose between a beef and a chicken, I can choose beef in a Berlin dinner kebab. Usually in kebab I choose chicken because they have a better quality chicken usually, but here in Berlin dinner kebab there's a really great beef, so you can take a beef and it will be wonderful. It will be wonderful and a great recommendation because it's something small what you can eat when you don't have time. Usually dinner kebab is really big. It's a big bread. It's just a smaller bun you can eat, and it's wonderful. So great recommendation for a Berlin dinner kebab. You make a good job. You make a good job, and the quality is great.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Ksiądzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, kochanie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.